computer. So if there's anybody who is here who has either used the products or I'm not sure if I'm gonna mute this mic because I'm not sure if you're on a mistake. If it was not on a mistake, you'll unmute. But yeah, I'm gonna ask anyone who's used these products on a testimony or anyone who sold this product to someone, and they've given you a testimony. Please share your testimony. And the reason why I always do this, I do this because I've realized that people don't necessarily easily trust people who say that something does something. If you are like me, it's not easy. Me, I don't trust presenters when they tell me something does what. So I move better when I hear someone who's been helped by the product say it, because there's always an energy I get from someone who speaks from their own experience. So if anyone here has used the product, or someone, you've sold it to someone who's used the product, please, can you share the testimony with us?
Can I take this opportunity?
All right.
All right.
I'm acknowledging Umam Tandega. Who was the second person? There was the there. I'm not sure who.
Stino.
Sino. Okay, cool. So Kala Umam Tandega, then we'll go to Sino. Thank you.
I have a colleague or told diagnosis yakhe was told ukuthi une breast cancer and behamba some therapy, and then when I heard of products, we then joined, and upon us joining, I had so many people in mind. Besifisa ukubarekhomendela mhlawumbe mostly family and the people we know in our surroundings. And then I recommended. First thing that she liked was that it is a herbal. It is herbal.
Yes.
The supplements.
Mhm.
And then she requested, would you please let me have them? We then went back. We came back to the group, asked, what can you give umuntu or nale diagnosis? We were advised, placed the order, gave. In fact, she was a motivation for us joining.
Okay.
Then we gave her the first, maybe it took a week. She gave a feedback, Etty. Why was I not going to the toilet? That was her first line.
Yeah.
I am now going to the toilet as freely.
Okay.
And I don't know how my body coped all this time. I sleep. I did not sleep. Maybe I'll sleep at 3 o'clock, expected to wake up at 5. But now I sleep like a normal person. I'm happy. The mood have changed at home. We are happy. And she then recommended for someone who had a stroke, and she was like, hey, my person is out of hospital. She's at home now. She can go wherever that she wants to go around the house. We are off the hook. And then there was someone who was in an accident in the family and was badly bruised, and windows and fractures wind in her neck in mostly. And she was not going to be operated because he was swollen. And then she says that, hey, I walked to that hospital with my APL Go and kept on sneaking it. And odokotela were amazed. How come ukudumba subsided early so? They expected a prolonged treatment, but for him it was just quick that he would go to theater for AMA processes, even though they're not finished with him, but they are very pleased with the progress. And she was like, I'm your client through and through, Mama, and eventually I will be joining you.
No, Siyabonga. Thank you. I want to cut you.
So it is quite a motivation, because we like now when we feel we hear ukuthi umuntu is having something and we recommend, when you need ice, when you need this, when you need this, and we keep on giving. Even to my colleagues, I just go there and say, I'm not going to have you sick. You just have to have them. So it's quite a good one. Thank you.
When did you start? When were you introduced to these sweets?
Early this month.
Early this month.
I think early this month, or if it's not late last month.
No, it's amazing. So it's about a month.
Yeah, it's hardly a month.
Hardly a month.
Yeah.
No, Siyabonga, that's very beautiful. In a month, you already have experienced so many different testimonies. And the so I'm pleased that you shared the testimony. Let's give also Dikana Usinoyolo wanted to say something.
Yeah, some powerful testimonies here. Yeah. I had forgotten a testimony of my mother, and it's been about, I think, 2 weeks, man. And every time we share testimonies, it totally slips my mind. But umama bekahlushwa high blood pressure for the longest time. And yeah, we are on the pills. She hates it. And she doesn't like public hospitals also. So every now and then she'd call and be like, I need to go to the doctor. It's going to cost maybe 800 or whatever, I need to go to the doctor. And at some point, I think she had stopped taking the medication, because I think maybe 6 months, and then she just didn't go back because she doesn't like medication.
Yeah.
So I bought her NRM, yeah, and then I had it couriered ekhaya. Ekhaya is Eastern Cape PE. And then they arrive, and she still thinks it's Billy's. And so I say, yeah, no, take these things. And she's like, hey, don't rush me. I hate medication. I'm like, hey, this is not medication. Just eat it. Yeah, well, these are sweets. Yeah, well, relax about it. And she's like, hey, I'll see. Hey, I follow up after about 3 days. And I'm like, have you started? It's like, hey man, you're rushing me. Yeah, well, I'm like, okay, just take one now. Yeah, well, she takes one. She relaxes. I follow up after a couple of days. She's like, I've only taken 3. And I'm like, no, continue taking them. Yeah, well, but eventually I gave up, because I'm just like, it's fine. I'll give them to someone else, Mangi Ekai. So about a week or 2 weeks back, she sends me a message. When are the others arriving? I'm like, the other what? I'm a sweetie Pella. And I'm like, have you finished them? And it's like, no, I finished the first half. This is E15. And I'm like, but you didn't even tell me if they are working for you. And she's like, she says, I noticed I stopped having those morning headaches I used to have. She used to have headaches. And she noticed that she used to have constipation because of high blood pressure.
Yeah.
And she's like, she can't even remember the last time she had those symptoms. And now she doesn't even want to go back and get treatment. She's just like, just send me these sweets. Right? And I'm a sweetie. All of those side effects, medications, all of these things that I was feeling, I no longer feel them. So yeah, these things, they are very effective. They're helping very much.
You see, thank you very much for the testimony. And for me, it's always these stories, ladies and gentlemen, that move me, because these people don't have to lie to us. So Mamako doesn't have to lie to you, Sino, about this. I mean, she didn't want to take them, and she wasn't taking them to please you, So when they are working, she doesn't have to please you and try sugarcoat. This is how powerful these products are. They're very powerful. Now the amount of testimonies I've witnessed, others will make you want to cry, like most of them, because sometimes you're sitting with people who are telling you how difficult their lives were. There were people, others, because of the difficulty, wanted to commit suicide because of ubunzima nje bokuphila nalama diseases. So every time I hear these testimonies, they reaffirm to me that we are absolutely doing God's work here. If there's anyone who has a testimony, about financial transformation in this business. I will then take that. Anyone, yeah, Nakona, we have nothing more than 4 minutes for you. Just if anybody can share how this business has transformed their finances, I will be very grateful. Thank you.
Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that niyaphila. Igama lami Inamandla Ngwakagulo Sibongo. I'm from Durban. I'd just like to share my own personal testimony with regards to our finances. I joined in December. I started selling officially in January. I think, okay, some people may know, but most don't know. Coach Simpio likes saying, Oguti, when you join this business, it takes you out of lack immediately. And he was not lying when he said that. Konke ukuswela ebenginakho kwaphela the moment I joined this business. Ngaqala ukudayisa kahle ngoJanuary. I think I made, okay, let's divide 50 something thousand go-2 because enye imali eya kwi-box enye iyabuya iza kumina. Right. Okay, so that was my profits ngoJanuary. But from February, March, April until now, I'm consistently making over 100K. You know, ayikakapheli inyanga manje, but I was checking in my account ukuthi okay, usuhlangene 100K wale nyanga le. You know, so it's been really, really, really amazing. Joinani guys ningabe nje nisamosha isikhathi. You know, njengamanje I'm in the process. I'm trying to fix my credit score because I want a car, you know, and I see it happening this year. That's how much my life has changed within a space of 5 months now. You know, I'm just getting into inyanga yesfive, and everything that seemed so far-fetched. Manje, it's just so easily accessible. I was graduating yesterday. I literally covered everything for myself, you know, from my suits to my hair to my makeup to everything. Ngokwami. I remember the first time in graduator, I was asking for this and that. But now, no, I pay my own rent in my own apartment. I take care of myself. Angihluphi muntu, you know, so it's beautiful. And the nicest thing, Uguti, I don't even feel like I have to work hard. You know, all I have to do is just post videos on TikTok and then the calls come in and the Capitec money in notifications just keep pouring. So impilo ishintshile completely. Like, yeah, the money is really, really good. Gabon.
Thank you very much for sharing your story in Amandla. And I also maybe wanted to ask you a question. You said you were posting on TikTok. Before you joined this business, did you have TikTok? Or were you big on TikTok?
I did have TikTok, but I was not a person or post die. You know, it was just TikTok for me. So I didn't utilize it to make email. I was just looking at this and that.
Okay, that's very beautiful. And how many followers do you have? Do you know how many followers you have right now?
Njengamanje, I have yesterday beklangana 7,000 followers. I think nje today ngicheck it was 7,011, something around there. Yeah, when I first started, my followers I think about 800 and something.
Yes.
When I first started selling. So the more I post, the more people abangilandelayo, and then the more sales I get to make also.
Perfect. Thank you very much. You know, for me, the reason why I raised that is because abantu abaningi sometimes they sit there with limiting beliefs. They'll say, Asia, so me, I don't know TikTok, I don't know this, I don't know that. I mean, most of the things that, you know, the people who get into this business and make it, most of the things they are learning, we teach them, we transfer the information that we have discovered. For me, I'm excited to see this kind of transformation Here it's not necessarily about the money that I want. Yes, obviously money will avail a lot of things, but I'm very touched by the transformation. Ukuthi abantu bebephila impilo enjani, sebephila impilo enjani. Yabona, because of this business, and in not like a long time. They didn't have to go study for many years to be able to generate this money. I mean, to hear a student saying they're now making 100K a month, from sales is a big thing. It's a big thing now that they're now able to pay their own rent. They're now able to, I mean, buy the furniture they need to buy, live the kind of life they need to live. And I mean, they now can see themselves owning cars. Think about that. With transformation that has come through this business. I'm very excited that the people who spoke shared from their hearts, and I'm hoping that if you're sitting there and you're listening, I'm hoping that now it does inspire you. Right. Now let's start with our presentation. I will just touch a little bit on the products. Jobang Shilo, every Wednesday we've got pro product presentation where we unpack products. In our meetings Monday to Thursdays at 9, we just do what we call business opportunity presentation. The reason why we do that is because there's not enough time. The way the business is corner, the way my products are corner. If we were to focus on the products, it would take us a whole hour, a little bit over an hour to just speak about the products. It will take us another hour to speak about the compensation and how the business pays. So this is why we don't delve a lot into both. We just focus on the money, and the earlier parts are important so that you are able to connect with the people's stories and the reasons why we're doing what we're doing, and how this business has changed our lives. So we now have 18 products that we have. 18 different products. If you can, oh, sorry, I'm forgetting. I'm thinking that you guys are here. So the people on my TikTok are able to see my wall there with a lot of the products. It's 18 different products, but they're all here. We now have 19. All in all is 19. There's a new product that has been launched recently. So all these 18 products, what they do, they help to repair cells, number one. Number two, they neutralize free radicals that destroy cells. I know that thing sounds like some bombastic words, but it's very simple. Let me explain it like this. Every time you eat, doesn't matter what you eat, you're either putting into your body free radicals that destroy cells, or you're putting into your body anions that help to repair cells. I'll repeat that. Every time you eat, you're putting into your body free radicals that destroy cells, or you're putting into your body anions that help to repair cells. So, what are cells, and why should we care? It's important to understand what cells are for us to care if we're putting anions that help to repair these cells or free radicals that destroy these cells. So, what are cells? It's it's a question we have to answer. We all understand what organs are. Organs, we know them. It's like the heart, liver, kidneys, all of those things. They are organs, but all of these organs don't start off as organs first. They all are formed from little cells. Millions and millions of these cells form together to form tissues, and the tissues will then form the organ, right? So if a lot of the cells begin to die, something happens to the organ. The organ stops to function. It stops, doing what it was doing all along, or what it was designed to do. So if the cells that form the pancreas die, the pancreas now struggles to generate the insulin that is needed by the body. When that thing happens, then a person is going to be, diagnosed with diabetes. It doesn't mean that the organ itself is no longer there. The pancreas is there, but it's no longer functional. It's a disease. It can't do what it used to do before. So same with the heart. If the heart fails to do what it's supposed to do, what's the function of the heart? To pump the blood, or to pump the blood all over the body. It's the pump, right? That's the function of the heart. If the heart then stops for some reason is not able to do that, then you've got a disease. It could be heart disease, it could be blood pressure. It's a problem that the heart is dealing with, But we feel that, and this is our belief. Our belief is that there is a solution to these chronic diseases, and the solution is to repairing the cells that form these organs. So when you eat these products, this is precisely what you get. You're getting anions. You're putting into your environment, into the body, a lot of anions, which help these very cells to regenerate or to repair. But they don't just help with the repairing of the cells. They also help to neutralize free radicals that destroy cells. This is why we don't sell these products only to try help people heal from their. There's people that I need to mute. Anati, please mute your mic every time you come into this meeting. So we believe that in nutrition, basically the reason why you need to take these supplements is for prevention. Even though these products have been helping people who already have these diseases, the main function is not that one in our view. Yes, you can take it when you've got a disease, but the actual function or the thing we're trying to preach to everyone is do it before you even have a disease. Make it a function of your life that you take these products and you eat them, not because there's a disease. Like I don't have any chronic disease that I've been diagnosed with, but you can see we're always taking these things. Even my kids are always taking these things. They have no diseases. My wife takes these things. We always eat them. Why? Because we're preventing diseases. We're preventing chronic diseases by taking them. So it's a wide variety, wide range of products from products that focus on kidneys, others focus on the heart, others focus on the stomach, others focus on the colon, others focus on the brain, others focus on the bones, so many different things, so we're not going to get into all of those things, but I think if you are interested though in even watching some of these testimonies that we have, you can ask whoever that invited you here to share these testimonies. I've got a lot of testimonies on my page, Dr. Maswiti on TikTok. Looking about Dr. Maswiti, you can just go check as many testimonies as you like there. But I'm sure even the person who invited you here can share a lot of testimonies with you, just so that you can satisfy yourself with what we say these products do or with the effectiveness of the products. Please allow me, I'm not going to get into all the other stories around the business. The company is legit. We've got a lot of certifications. Our products are registered with the Food and Drug Administration. We're certified with a lot of different health bodies around the world, even in South Africa. Before the company started here officially, they made all the relevant registrations. This company is from Russia. It's owned by a young guy. He's my age, 38. I don't know if 38 is still young or I'm just being delusional by saying he's a young guy just because I'm 38. But yeah, I believe he's a young guy if he's 38. But built this business now 14 years. This business has existed internationally. It's the 4th year here in South Africa. The first year and a half or so, some of us I got in when they would bring it here. When we had a meeting to bring this company here, I was in that boardroom. And then for the first year, I was really studying the effects and the impacts of this, these.
Don't jump on.
Yeah, Abu Case Lapayana. Please mute guys when you come in. Abantwana abadlala i-wrestling siyabezwa. So when I got into the business, these are the things that we were skeptical. I was, because these products sounded too good to be true. So I took some time to do my own due diligence. But straight after that, when I was satisfied myself with everything, it took me about a year to really, win myself over. But when I came in, I really came in strong. And I can promise you, in the next year, this time, the whole country is going to be on its feet because of the work that we're going to be doing. In fact, next year, this time, the noise is going, or the fire is going to be in the rest of the continent. The reason why we're so aggressive in having so many presentations is because we're actually looking for business partners that we can work with in this big task that we've got. We have no shortage of customers. My team will tell you we make sales on a daily basis. The system that we've taught them is ensuring everybody, making sure that everybody makes sales. So we have no shortage of customers in this business because the products basically sell themselves. What we have a shortage of, rather, is partners, people that we're going to work with, people who are determined to learning the needs of the market and also who are determined to learn what the products actually do and how they work so that we can serve all these people, because if there'll be a lot of us, then it's going to be easier for us to get into to penetrate the rest of the continent. So even in the rest of the continent, we're going to be looking for partners in all of those spaces. But I promise you, next year, this time, the amount of partnerships we're going to be running with is going to be a lot. And I'm saying that to say that this is a great opportunity. If you're looking for a business opportunity, you are hearing this thing at the best time, because I believe that next year, this time, some people will feel like it's saturated, but there's nothing like that, ladies and gentlemen. People are sick in their millions. If you're thinking about diabetes and you think about the world, there's a lot of market, a lot of people that we have to reach. And if you think about all the ailments that are there that our products address, I mean, it will take us a while before we scrape the surface. But the thing I want to bring to your attention is we do not have people. This product doesn't exist in other parts of the continent. So can you imagine if in 5 years from now, everybody in the continent knows about these products and you are responsible for bringing that product to that place. Like, for example, if you go to Mozambique, you'd have a team in Mozambique, a team in Botswana, a team in Swaziland, a team in Lesotho, a team in Ghana, in Nigeria, in Tanzania. Can you imagine when this business is big in all of this market, and you've got a piece in every part of the continent, what that would mean for your bank account? So this is why we're presenting this opportunity, and we're saying this is the best time for you to join because it is untapped, this continent. Here in South Africa, the noise is starting to happen. A lot of people have been following us for some time, and they are saying that, yeah, we've been seeing these suites for some time. Only now we feel like we're seeing a lot of testimonies. Now we want to buy, but can you imagine 5 years down the line when everyone in the continent knows these products and you are part of the team that would have introduced this solution? Because, I mean, business is about bringing a solution. If you're bringing a health solution, you're solving a problem even for millionaires. Just think about the relationships that you stand to build if you're serious about making money, right? So how to join? I can hear someone saying, hey, why is this guy not telling us how to join? He's busy talking. Okay, sorry. I'm coming into this part now. How to join? Option one, which is the one I don't recommend for you, but I can tell you about it and you'll make your own decision. 375 Rand makes you a premium customer, which gives you what? Wholesale prices. That's it. Meaning that you will buy products at the price that we buy them for. That's all you get when you're a premium customer. But we recommend that you look at option two, that you become an associate. How to become an associate? 375 rands. From that 375, it's basically an activation fee. You get a number of things. You get a website, an online store, a back office, really. This online store, you're able to sell to anyone around the world, especially where we've got a presence. If we don't have a presence, you still can send them that online store. They can look at those things. And if they want them, then you can buy them. You can ship it to them, whichever way that is convenient for you. But again, there's a lot of things that come with this back office. Back office helps us to communicate with everybody in the business, people who are in my structure. So I'm able to see everyone who has joined my team. I'm able to see, how they're doing in the business. I'm able to see how I need to support them, and all of that. So there's a big thing. Like you're even able to see how much money you've generated from which types of bonuses, if you want that. If I wanted to see how much I've earned from last year till date, I'm able to see that. If I wanted to see anything about my money, about the group, about the bonuses, anything that if I need to communicate with the office, I'm able to communicate with them through that very same back office. I'm even able to communicate with the office in Russia, head office, through this back office. So it's a very important tool. 375 also gets me wholesale prices. It gives me opportunity to earn money, special promotions and incentives. Now and again, we get those incentives and promotions where we're able to buy products for even less than the wholesale price. And you understand, if you buy a lot of products when they're on promotion, then you can just imagine the kind of earnings or profit margins you'd be making once those specials are finished. Access to trainings. We've got a lot of trainings here. Every Monday to Thursdays, I meet my team. I've got trainings that I have for my team, that we have as a team. Every Monday to Thursday, 8 p.m. And we've got other trainings. Like, for example, we've got presentations like these ones, 9 p.m. Monday to Thursdays. These again are something that we've designed so that we help our teammates, everyone who joins the business, to not worry about sharing this opportunity with their friends or relatives, to just invite them to a presentation so that we do a presentation. And if you come, for example, I don't know who invited you here, but if you love this business and at the end of this call, and you feel like, you know what, I love this business, but I've got a problem. I'm not going to be able to tell my friends exactly how to join this business and why this business is great. You don't have to. In fact, we always never encourage that you tell them anything like that, because you wouldn't be able to explain this after you're gone. But if you were to bring them to the next meeting, they themselves can come and listen for themselves. And if they say, we're interested in joining this business, then your business now starts growing, even before you get to understand fully how the business is structured. Right. So we've got other trainings that we've got every Thursday. If you've never done network marketing before, even if you have, we encourage that you come to Successful Partner Start. This is where we meet as distributors and we share ideas. All the people who are in our business meet there every Thursday at 7. We share ideas about network marketing. We teach each other things that we didn't know. 9 o'clock, 9 a.m. Saturdays, we meet with our upline, Natalia. She's our upline in Moldova. Actually, she's the #1 in the world. I was told recently that she became the highest paid person in the world in this business. So you can imagine, we're able to sit down with her and she's able to give us tips and educate us. She's been in the business now for 10 years. So you can just imagine how much money she's making in this business. So every Saturday we meet with her and she gives us pointers. And every Sunday we've got what we call business opportunity presentations, exactly like this, but this time it's presented by the company. It's not just us that do it. Every Monday we've got WhatsApp presentations. Can you see? So here in this business, it's very difficult for you not to make it because of the amount of support and the amount of trainings that we have. We've got trips, we've got events. Right, let's talk about trips and events. Even this Saturday, I'm glad to announce that we're going to No, we're not going to Moldova. We're going to Turkey. Sorry, so many trips in this business. We're going to Turkey this Saturday for 5 days, 5 nights, all expenses paid trip by the company. I've been to a number of the trips with company. It's the highest level treatment we get there. I did a trip before to Bali with this same company. I did a trip We had an MSC cruise from, where was it from again? It was from Abu Dhabi. Then we went to Dubai. Then we went to, I can't remember where. Then we went to Qatar. Then we came back, Iphelele futhi at Dubai. I mean, it was such a, our trips are always just mind blowing. We everywhere where we go, we've got excursions. You're able to experience things like a tourist. I never ever regarded myself as a tourist, but hey, this company, man, I get there and I'm a delegate. Remember, I told you I'm a musician, so normally I get to spaces and I'm the one that has to worry about entertainment. Now I get to a space, everybody's, entertaining me. I'm like, oh my word, I've been missing out on the good things in life. But thank God, it's courteous free and nuggets. Yeah, so we've got a lot of these trips, guys. If you love traveling, this business is for you. Yes, and events. We've got a lot of events that we have. If you are around on Saturday, just before I go to the airport, I'm going to have a presentation, 11 to 1 p.m. At Katlehong Resource Center. I'm going to be doing a presentation there, basically explaining the products and talking about the compensation plan. And hopefully we'll have enough people who are also going to share other testimonies. But we're going to try and make it compact because I don't want to miss that flight. You know what I mean? But it's going to be very valuable, that event. So we have those events. We've got many other events in the company. We've got recognition events. They're amazing. The last one we had was at State Theatre. The one before that was at Lyric Theatre. Great productions. We have a whole production team that we hire. And I mean, when you get there, you see how prestigious everything is. It's because the company really takes us serious. Right. So, first 375. I know that was a mouthful. 375 rand. Then once you've paid that, you then also have to buy one of these 6 packages. First package is promoter. Promoter is 1,500 rand. You don't pay 1,500 rand, you buy products with 1.5. And then there's associated 3,000. There's builder 6,000. Mentor 9,000. VIP 27,000. Diamond 45,000. All of these prices are before or excluding VAT. So once you add VAT, magic happens. The other sum, that side becomes a bit bigger. Yeah. So to join this business, the lowest package is 375 plus 1.5. Remember, these packages, you are buying products. It's not like a joining fee. You are buying products worth at least 1.5 before VAT, right? Less than 3,000. Once it goes beyond 3,000 before VAT, then you're an associate. But if you wanted, for example, let's say you joined the business as a promoter and you wanted to upgrade to associate in this compensation plan, you don't have to spend the full 3,000 rands to become an associate. All you have to do is spend the difference. So to move from promoter to associate, you just spend the next time you buy products worth 1.5. To move from associate to builder, you don't spend 6,000. You just buy products worth 3,000 rands before VAT, then you would have upgraded. That's how it works. Okay, so
do that again slowly. Just that part. I got interested over it. Just repeat that part again slowly.
Okay. I'm not sure which part that thing is. So I'm saying if you want to upgrade.
Of upgrading in the group.
Okay,
You mentioned,
sure.
yeah.
Sure. If you want to upgrade from promoter to associate, you don't spend the full 3,000. You see, associate says 3,000 to become an associate. So you don't spend the full 3,000 to become an associate if you are a promoter. You just spend the difference, which is 1.5. So if you spend 1.5 as a promoter, you'll be upgraded to associate. So if you're an associate and you want to go or you want to become a builder, you don't spend the full 6,000. You just spend the difference because you already were on the 3,000 rands package. So you'll spend 3,000 rands and then you'll be upgraded to builder. You understand it?
Okay. No, I'm happy. All right, good stuff. Cool.
Cool, sure, thanks. Okay, so some people trying to come in, they're knocking, they're late, but we will open the door. Right, so let's talk about start bonus. Start bonus is a very important thing. Here, the first way we earn in this business is sales, ladies and gentlemen. Sales is the first way we earn. But the money you make from the sales is not going to come from the office. It comes from the people you are selling to. So in our team, we really encourage sales. And a lot of the people who are making a lot of fast money at the beginning, they've learned the fact that it's about sales. So they come in, they move the boxes, they make sales. For most of the products that we're selling, you are making 100% profit on those products. So there's products that we buy for 430, we sell for 860. You're making 100% profit on those. There's products that we buy for 1,035, we sell for 1,350. There you're making about maybe 30% profit. And there's products we buy for 1,380, we sell for 1,720. But what's nice is that the products that move the most are the ones that we sell for 860. And those ones, diabetes, a whole lot of people struggle with that. The ones for arthritis, there's a lot of people that struggle with arthritis. So it's those products, they move like GRW, the one for immune system, people who are HIV positive, those products move. Power for Men moves because sometimes you find that someone is diabetic and you find that they're also struggling sexually. Then they take this Power for Men, it helps them a lot, and therefore this combo moves a lot, right? So the first way we make money here, what's worth mentioning, is sales. Sales has made us a lot of money. Right. Then we've got start bonus, right? Start bonus works like this. Please leave. Start bonus works like this. If, let's say you've joined the business, and now you've got a friend of yours that you think they'd be a great fit for this business, and you invite them to a presentation like this one, right? And they come here, invite them here, and we do this whole presentation, and they decide, okay, I think I want to join this business. And they say, I am going to join this business as a promoter, meaning that they're going to spend the 375 service fees, all of that, and then buy this package, year 1.5. The company is going to pay you, who invited this person, 10% of this 1.5, which is 150, right? I'm not going to talk about the rest of these things, but if they joined the business at 45,000 rands, the company is going to pay you 20%, which means you would be making 9,000 rands just because this person paid 45,000 rands buying stock. So from what they have spent, the company gives you a commission. It's a thank you for inviting this person. But what's lovely is you might have joined yesterday and you don't know how to explain this thing. You just invited them to this call, and I did all the work here for you, explained everything to your person, but just because they came because of you, you are going to get the whole 9,000 rand. And guess how much you are going to pay me from that 9,000 rand? Just guess, Angie. From this 9,000 rand, because I'm also working with you, aren't I? I'm not going to make anything. I'm just joking. You don't have to pay me anything. That 9,000 is yours. That 150 is yours. But here's another nice thing. Let's say they join today at 1.5 and they go sell these products, and then they come next week. They're like, I know, you know what? I want to invest a lot of money, and they upgrade to the highest package. You're going to be paid start bonus again. So every time a person who that you've introduced to the business decides to upgrade, every time they upgrade, you get a start bonus. Every time they upgrade, equivalent to what they've spent. Every time. And another thing that's worth mentioning, which was very generous, it was different to my previous company, the previous company I was in. is that anybody who signs a diamond gets 9,000. So even if you're a promoter, you join in 1.5. If you invite someone into the business and that person decides to join the business in 45,000 rand, you will get 9,000. If you're a diamond, you will get 9,000. So Soccer's 29,000. Doesn't matter who introduces a diamond here. We all get 9,000 for introducing a diamond. If you introduce the diamond. In my previous company, what they used to do is you needed to be a diamond to get the full 9,000 to recruit a diamond. For recruiting a diamond, you yourself needed to be a diamond. If you are not, let's say, for argument's sake, say you're a promoter. If you're a promoter recruiting a diamond, the company would pay you 150 because you are supposed to get 150, and they would pay you 150, and the rest of the money would roll up to the person above you. So the person above you, if they are a mentor at 9,000, they were supposed to get 1,750. They would only get that 1,575. Then the rest would roll up. It would roll up like that until iziphele. But can you imagine, you brought this person, you only got 150, only because when you didn't have enough money when you joined. But here, they don't do that. Here, they give you all the 9,000 if the person came through you. Right. Let's talk about this one. Group bonus. This is where it gets interesting. The group bonus. Start bonus, you make money for your own, because of your own, it's your own hard work. You are the one that identified this person who would be a great fit here. You recommended them to come here. You are the one that's going to get the money. None of us gets that money or shares that money with you. Group bonus, yeah, this is where it gets interesting. Group bonus, you earn because of your own hard work, number one. So if you recruit people into the business, those people are going to give you points. Those points are equals to money. If they upgrade, you get points. If the people that you've recruited recruit people, you get points. Those points are equivalent to money. When those people upgrade, you get points. Those points are equals to money. So this action will go down, and when those people's people join the business, you get money. When they upgrade, you get money. So there's no stopping. There's no cap. Here, they don't say up until the 10th generation. Even in the 100th generation, the points are going to roll up to you. The points will always roll up to you at the top here. So if this person here joins the business, when I hear, you're going to get the points. You're going to get points also. If they upgrade, you're going to get the points. How lovely is that? But it's not, you don't just earn from your efforts and your downline's efforts only. So if you had an upline somewhere here and they placed someone in your structure, the person that they've placed in your structure is going to give you points. You get points for that person. And if that person upgrades, you're going to get points. And they're downlines. If those people sign people, you get the points. So it's called a group bonus here because you don't just earn because of your efforts here. You earn because of your efforts and your downline's efforts and your upline's efforts if your upline has placed people underneath your structure. I'm hoping that you understand. So let me just show you how it works, this group bonus. I'm not going to talk about inninary. It's too technical. You'll understand it when you join the business. But yeah, we'll talk about it binary. So there's one person you see there's a person on the left here. If this person was to join the business, 1.5, they would generate 40 PVs or contribute 40 PVs. What is PVs? Point values. They would contribute 40 points to your left. And if there'll be a person here on your right, sorry guys, I need to do this because I'm also running TikTok, sorry. So if there's this person on the right here joins the business, get 3,000, they generate 80 points, 80 PVs to your right here, right? And let's say this one here recruits this one into the business. This one joins the business, get 6,000. This one would contribute 160 to this one, but you would also get the points, this 160 points here. And if this one here would join the business, get 9,000, it would be 240. This 240 points would go to this one, but the same 240 points would come back to you, right? Because these are all in your structure, right? And let's say this one here is recruited by this one here, right? This one. Let's say they joined the business 27,000. They'll be generating 720 PVs here, 720 points here. And if this one joined the business 45,000, it'll be generating 120 or 1,200, sorry, points here. These points will go to this one, then here to you. This one will go to this one, then to you. This is why we're saying this is a group activity, group bonus. These ones were recruited by this one. These ones were recruited by this one. But whatever points that they are putting into the structure, you also get. Right. So each and every week, group bonus pays us weekly. We get paid every week on group bonus. What's the calculation? So every week, the machine, our back office, calculates the activity that is happening, let's say on your left here. Some people have joined, some people have upgraded, others have signed new people, others from the same people they've upgraded. Every week there's going to be action. And you must remember, when you join, you get products. So, and when you upgrade, you're getting products. So every week there's an activity that is happening here and this side. People joining, people upgrading. Every week this thing is going to happen. So group bonus, the calculation happens where they're trying to establish how many points were generated on the left, how many points were generated on the right. But how does it pay us? We are paid from the lesser points. We call this the left side, normally we call it the left leg, the right leg, right? So, and we also talk about pay legs. Pay leg is the leg that pays us. Which one is it? Is the leg or the side with the lesser points. So if you're looking at the left and at the right, which one is the pay leg? Which one has the less points? Please write on your chats so that I see that people are awake here and I'm not talking alone. You know, it's tricky to do presentations when you can't see people's faces. So please write which one out of these different sides is my pay leg, or which one has less points? Left or right?
The left has less points. Right has better points. Okay.
On the chats. Right, Coach Lee in the right, Sanele. Right, Beauty. Yes, we got it right, TP. So right has less points, which means this is the side that's going to pay me. But how do we calculate? If we generated 2,000 points, how much is it in rands and cents? Okay, cool. Let me show you. So 2,000 PVs comes from the side that's supposed to pay us. Times 10%. Where does this 10% come from? If you join the business in 1.5, the lowest package, you are going to be paid 10% of your pay leg. 10%. So it means here, you have joined the business at 1.5, meaning that this person here is getting 10% times 15 rand. Why 15 rand? If you look at this $100 and 1.5, you can see that the exchange rate there, the ratio is 1 to 15. When they presented the business to us, we asked them that it's going to be difficult for us to deal with our market in dollars because that fluctuates a lot. You can just imagine, you know, you're presenting this business, you're telling them this is the price to join. It's 1.5 now. Next week is 2,000 because Trump is angry, and then it's back to 1.6 because now he's talking to Ramaphosa. You know, so we said no, just so that it's not too volatile. Can we just keep it at you know, an exchange rate? We agreed on 15. So this is what it is: 2,000 PVs times 10%. If you joined at 1.5 times 15 rand, which is our exchange rate, which would mean in a week like this, you're generating 3,000 rands in that week. Right. Let's go to the last one. 2,000 PVs here times 30%. Who earns at 30%? Let's go back to our compensation plan here. You can see 30%. If you joined at 27,000, you earn at 30%. If you joined at 45,000, you earn at 30%. So both, either if you've joined at VIP or Diamond, you will earn in this group bonus 30%. Let's look at how it looks. 2,000 PVs times 30% times 15 Rand equals 9,000 Rands. Right. For the same 2,000 PVs, so basically it's for the same work that you and your team have done. You are getting paid 3 times more than what you would have gotten had you joined the business at the lowest package. So if you join the business at the lowest package, you will be paid 3 times less than what you would have received had you joined the business as a diamond. It's a very important point to raise, but it's not a problem because I know some people are sitting there feeling like, but me, I don't have 45,000. It means I'll be losing so much money. Not the case. In our team, we've got a way that we have built to help the people that we're building with in our team to become diamonds without them having 45,000. As long as people come in and they learn what they need to learn and they make the sales, then Tina, as a team, we've got a way, we've got a system that I cannot present here because of time, that it would help you become a diamond. So this is a special offer when you are in our team. And this is what has made all of us in our team become, we are in the top 20, top 20 highest paid people in our business. 14 come from our team. 14, 1-4, come from our team because of this system that we've designed to helping everyone in our structure, in our team, to become diamonds, so that everybody ends at 30%. Magic Group bonus. Magic Group bonus is very important bonus. I'm really behind time. I think today I was talking a lot more. Magic Group bonus is in my view, and I always say it, this is something that the president designed to fix network marketing. I don't know if you guys know this in network marketing or have experienced this, but I have, where you join a business and after joining this business, you're looking for the person who made you join the business, maybe to assist you on a call or to assist you with whatever that you're not understanding, and you can't find them as soon as you've joined. So here, they're fixing that. That here you can't make money if your team doesn't make money. You'll never make money. This is why I'm saying 14 of the people in our team are in the top 20. Why? Because we understood that for us to make money, the team has to make money. Right? But let me show you what it means. This merchant group bonus. So this is what it is. The company is going to pay you 20% of whatever your direct recruits make in the group bonus. 20%. It's going to pay me 20% of whatever my direct recruits earn in the group bonus every week. So let me give you an example. Let's say you've got 5 people that you've recruited into the business, and you help all 5 of them earn 4,000 rands each. The company is going to pay you 20%, which would mean you would earn it 4,000 rands because 5 of your downlines, your direct downlines, are earning 4,000 rands each. So if you're 5 people, recruit 5 people each, second generation, you've got 25 people. 25 times 4,000. If they make 4,000 rands each, company is going to pay you 10%, which would mean you earn 10,000 rands. Third generation, the 25 people have 5 people each. There's 125 people. If they all earn 4,000 rands each every week, the company will pay you 5%, which would mean you're earning 25,000 rands. Just because your people are earning 4,000 rands each. Fourth generation, 625 people. If they all earn 4,000 rands each, company is going to pay you 5%. You're earning 125,000 rands just because they're earning 4,000 rands each. Everybody in your structure in the fourth generation. Fifth generation, 3,125 people. If they all earn 4,000 rands each, company is going to pay you 5%. You'd now be earning 625,000. in the 5th generation. 6th generation has 15,000 people, 15,625 people. If they all earn 4,000 rands, companies are going to pay you 3%, 1,875,000 that you'll be earning just on the 6th generation, and just because they're earning 4,000 rands each in the group bonus. Last generation, 78,125 people. If they all earn 4,000 rands, companies are going to pay you 2%, which is 6.2 million, 6,250,000. If you add all that money, is 8.9 million, 8,914,000 that you would be making in this whole structure if everybody just makes 4,000 rands. Just 4,000 rands each per week. Companies saying they can pay you 8.9 million per week if everybody earns 4,000 rands within your structure. Here we are discussing earning potential, and I've since discovered, in fact, I presented this to some guy who understands network marketing a lot. And when he looked at it, the first thing he said, wow, let me tell you why they do this. He says this whole compensation plan is actually a leadership program. They are rewarding leadership. It's because they understand that for you to be able to build a system that can impact so many people, and this many people earn this amount of money, you would definitely need to be a great leader, number one, and have systems in place. And if you can have that, because I mean, if people have a system, then everyone can do what they need to do. Like McDonald's, it's only one system that was designed, and you see it in every McDonald's you get to. That's why the burgers are always the same everywhere where you go, right? It's because a system is designed. So therefore, the outcome is guaranteed. So it's a similar thing. If we can build this, then the company is ready to pay 8.9 million per week just by helping people earn 4,000 rands each. Earning potential. And, you know, one of the things I love saying is that in all my years of living, no one has ever told me that they'd pay me 8 million if I do what. I don't know where you guys work or what businesses you have. I've never sat in a meeting anywhere where someone said, if you can do 1, 2, 3, we will pay you 8.9 million per week if you can achieve this. I've never had that offer. So this is the reason why in this business I'm so fired up to work, because I've been given an offer. I can see the offer. It's on the table. And we're saying, if you also can see the offer and you'd like to chase and help us build a system and structure that can help us get the CAM partner with us. Then uni-level bonus is the last bonus I'm going to talk about. Then we call it a night. Then we'll take questions. We'll take questions after uni-level bonus. Uni-level bonus, I always say that uni-level bonus basically is a bonus you get, but actually it's a requirement. We all are required to maintain in this business. If you were to ask me what does it mean to maintain, it's just to be in good standing. Any organization that exists will always have a requirement. Normally they say pay whatever, and when you've paid it, you're in good standing. Right. So here every month we're all required to spend 922 rand minimum buying products. So if you buy 2 products, maybe SLT and STP, it's 922 rand when you're maintaining. But if you buy any of the more expensive products, you just buy 1, then you would have maintained, right? So that's the requirement to be in good standing. But I got paid. The next part is that at least one person on your left, one person on your right that you have directly recruited must also maintain. They must also do that same thing. They must be in good standing. So if you're in good standing and one person on your left, one person on your right are in good standing, then you are in good standing. But what's nice about being in good standing here is that you don't just, you are not just expected to pay. Company still pays you for being in good standing and for building a system and an organization of people who are also in good standing. How does it work? So if you recruited 5 people and all your 5 people are maintaining, company is going to pay you 30 rands per person for everyone who's maintained, 30 bucks. So 5 times 30 rand is 150 rand. Then the 5 people obviously will recruit 5 people each. From their 5 people each, you have 25 people. When they maintain, companies going to pay you not 30 rand anymore. Now they're paying you 36 rand in the second generation. So it's 25 rand, times 36 rand, which is 900. What's nice is that from this 900 and this 150, you now are making enough from this 2 generations to maintain using the money that you are going to be paid by the office, which means from 3rd generation going down, it's just profits that you're just earning from people who are in good standing. So 125 people who are maintaining in the 3rd generation, the company is going to pay you 42 rand per person. And I hope you're noticing that it keeps going higher and higher the deeper we go. So 125 times 42 rand is 5,250. 5,250 is not little money if you consider what you need to do in South Africa to earn 5,250. Somebody's mic is on. Please mute it wherever you are. Let me search for you. Right. Then in the 4th generation, 625 people. Company is going to pay 48 rand per person. So if you say 625, you can check my numbers where you are. 625 people times 48 rand. Company is going to pay you 30,000. Just in the 4th generation. Remember, it's 30,000, but you'd still be earning the 5,250 and the 900 and the 150. 5th generation, 3,125 people. Company pays you 54 rand per person. Keeps going deeper, higher and higher the deeper it gets, which is also different. It's very different to many network marketing companies. Normally, they flip it around, right? Normally, they pay the highest percentage at the top, the lowest percentage at the bottom, because they understand that the deeper you go, the more numbers that are there at the bottom. But the generosity of this compensation plan is that it pays you more at the bottom. Why? Because they want you to be invested in educating and working with your team. Because a person who's here, if you have not built a right system, you're not going to be able to get to them, or your message is not going to get to them that they need to maintain. But if you're a great leader and you've built right systems, they are going to get the message that they are supposed to be maintaining there at the bottom. Right, 3,125 people, you are earning 54 rand per person. It's going to be 168,750. Think about it. Just if you add this 168,750 to this 30,000, to this 5,000, to the 900, to the 150, already you're earning over 200,000. And what's worth mentioning is that you're earning all this money without selling. This is not for selling. This is just for being in good standing. You're earning this amount of money just for being in good standing. Everybody in the structure spending 922. Just for spending 922, buying products that they're going to either use or sell. 2 products. But we're assuming that you're just eating these products because you also want to be healthy. 922 every month. Everybody who spends 922 every month, but we grow like this, you'll be making over 200,000 just for using products. Companies paying you for using products here and building a system of people who are using products. Last generation, 15,625 people. Companies going to pay you 60 rand per person. 15,000, which would mean you're earning 937,500 rand. If you add all that money together, you are earning 1.1 million, 1,142,550 every month when they just buy 2 boxes every month. A structure of people who are in good standing, who are just spending 922 every month, buying 2 boxes. This is what you're earning, 1.1 million, without selling. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is a very lucrative business. It's a community that we're inviting you to. It's a way of life that we're inviting you to. Jovan Zwil and Jeguti, this business kicks out of the door very fast. If you are ready to be part of this business, you're ready to learn what we're doing, you're ready to execute some of these teachings that, actually all of the teachings that we have here, please go back to the person who invited you and let them know that you're ready to join, you're ready to partner. They'll tell you what the next step is and the next step. But all we're saying is there's money to be made here. we're looking for business partners. As I've been saying, we have no shortage of customers. People buy these products all the time. On a daily basis, people are calling us, trying to buy trying to find out about these products. We're making these profits, and we're saying this also could be your life. We have not reached enough people, and we can't reach them by ourselves. Our team is one of the smallest teams, but we are taking the biggest amount. Like we were earning the most amount of money with the least people in the business. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. If there are any questions, please unmute. Let's try to tackle whatever questions that we may have. Yes, Jobe Sandile saying the first package is, or before VAT, is 1.5, excluding the ones of joining. Yes, 275 service varies. Yes, service fees vary. I think, or you're answering a question. Can you please explain about the 2.3 you spoke about on Monday? Oh, great. Yeah, so Mfundisi Jobe was answering you there. So it gets to about 2.3 if, for example, you are not going to collect the products at the office, you want them to send them to you. Then it becomes, normally it's about 2,230. We always use 2,300 as a round off figure, but it wouldn't get to that if you're buying only the daily collection. But you must remember, these products are priced differently. So, for example, if you want a different product mix, it might be even more than the 2.3, including delivery. You find that sometimes 2.4 something, sometimes 2.5. It just depends on your product mix and what you really require. But if you've got any further questions, I'm ready to take them up. Nduduzo Kowa, thank you, leader. This is too powerful. Thank you very much for the feedback. Or you were thanking someone else. Yabona umuntu abonge la ngathi akubongwa mina. Thi ngiqale phansi uzobona kahle. Okay. Is this product a supplement or medication? This is not medication. These are dietary supplements. Can I consume with chronic medication? Yes, you can consume these with chronic medication. Do you have starter packages? The lowest package is 2.3. You choose your own products. You choose whatever products you want. The company doesn't determine for you what to take. You take whatever products you want. How do I pay for the products or order? How do I receive? Okay, so when the person who's invited you here sends you a registration link, you will then immediately register, and after that, you'll get your own login details. From those login details, you'll just log the order of the products that you want, put your details, where you live, etc., etc. At the end, it's gonna ask you how payment method, how would you like to pay? You can use Pay Fast, Pay Flex, or if you want to transfer from bank account, you'll get an invoice. Take that invoice, pay the invoice from your bank account. So it's as simple as that. They then would deliver the products wherever you stay. Okay. Yes, I assume Fundis, I think, was answering that. And it was a call. Any questions? Okay, when you speak about a box, you meant a diamond box. No, I've not spoken about any diamond box yet. So when I speak anytime I said box here, I'm talking about this. Yeah, if it's a diamond box, I know normally I explain that the big one. Yeah, but in this presentation, I haven't spoken about the diamond box. Thanks, Chief, for the info. It's encouraging. We'll join soon. Thank you very much. Thank you, Dutuzo Koa. All right, I think there are no questions. Looking forward to everybody who's ready to join, whether you're joining now or joining later this month. Please remember, we have these presentations every Monday to Thursday. So even if you're joining at the end of the month, I'd encourage you to keep coming so that at least you keep hearing these things so that they are top of mind. The more you hear it, the more you get to understand it. By the time you've raised the money to join, you would be fired up to really just moving. Thank you very much. Good night, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you, leader.
Danko.